In the 1970s, the talking typewriter burst onto the scene, pioneering a new era in assistive technology. Designed to read typed words aloud, it aimed to empower those with visual impairments, making written communication accessible like never before. While its innovation dazzled many, production challenges and high costs meant only a few ever reached users. Despite its disappearance in favor of newer tech, the talking typewriter's vision for inclusivity and independence paved the way for modern screen readers. Join us as we unravel the untold story of this remarkable invention that was well ahead of its time.